Tyrannosaurus Rex. The ultimate carnivore. It's Greek for tyrant lizard king. Type, large theropod. Mean, move on 2 legs. Diet, carnivorous. Mean, feeding on other animals. Length, about 12.0 meters or 40 feet. Height, about 5.2 meters or 17 feet. Weight, about 7,500 kilograms. Period, Late Cretaceous, 68 to 66 million years ago. Tyrannosaurus lives up to its reputation as one of the most fearsome animals of all time. Its powerful jaws had 60 saw-edged, bone-crushing, pointed teeth. Each one is up to 20 centimeters or 8 inches long, and its bite was around 3 times as powerful as that of a lion.